Tired of clicking through Namecheap's menus trying to find WordPress hosting? Here's exactly where to click to get set up in under 2 minutes. We'll start at the homepage, click through to hosting, then compare plans and pricing. Let's go. All right, so you've already grabbed your domain on Namecheap, and now you're ready for the next big step, getting your WordPress site live. But if you've been poking around their dashboard, you know it can feel like a maze. I've been through this exact process, clicking through every menu so you don't have to guess. Let me walk you through it step by step. Start at the Namecheap homepage. This is where everything begins. You're probably already here, but if not, just type in namecheap.com. Once the page loads, look up at the top navigation bar. See that? That's where all the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Hosting. It's right there in the main menu. This opens up a drop-down with all their hosting options. Now, don't get overwhelmed by all the choices. We're focused on one thing today. From that menu, click on Hosting for WordPress. This is your direct path. Namecheap has dedicated plans specifically optimized for WordPress, which means less tinkering and more building. One click, and you're on the right track. Now, you might notice you're on a new page about WordPress hosting, and here's the part that trips people up. You need to click on Hosting for WordPress again. I know it sounds redundant, but this second click takes you deeper into their WordPress offerings where you can actually see the plan details. Think of it as confirming. Yes, this is definitely what you want. Once you're on that page, scroll down a bit and you'll see a button that says See Pricing and Plans. Click that. This is where the real comparison starts. All right, now you're looking at the pricing page, and this is where I want you to take a breath. Namecheap gives you a few billing cycles to choose from. Let's walk through them so you know exactly what you're getting into. First, click on Monthly. This shows you the month-to-month price. It's the most flexible option if you're just testing the waters or you're not ready to commit long-term. The monthly price is a bit higher per month, but you're not locked in. Next, click on Yearly. Go ahead and switch to that view. You'll see the price drop significantly. This is the sweet spot for most people. You're committed for 12 months, but you're saving a good chunk of change compared to paying month by month. Then take a look at the bi-yearly option. That's every 2 years. This gives you the biggest discount. If you know you're in this for the long haul and you want the best value, this is where you get the most bang for your buck. In my experience testing these plans, the savings really add up when you go for the longer terms. Now, once you've picked your plan and your billing cycle, go ahead and click Try for Free. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you're locked into anything just yet. Namecheap offers a trial period so you can see if everything works before you pull out your wallet. It might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. Finally, click on Checkout. This is where you'll review everything: your plan, your billing cycle, and any add-ons. Fill in your details, and you're all set. And that's it. From clicking around lost to confidently picking your WordPress hosting plan in just a few minutes. Your site is one step closer to going live, and you did it without the headache. Happy building!